Good morning. Ayan sila. Bakit may basura dyan? Nasa labas.
Kasi si Jan.
Ba yan? Ba't nilagay dyan?
Sula!
Magluluto sila.
Siyang ugly na.
Yan, magluluto daw
Oh my
sila. Ayan si Jen.
Oh my God.
Jen? Okay ka lang? Ba't dyan ka nagluluto?
Kasi walang flats.
Ito.
Kailangan natin flat. Hindi pwede yan. Mayroong grind doon.
Jen,
Para perfect.
anong perfect ka dyan?
Oh, pwede naman.
Ayan si
Agree
Jan.
ako.
Agree ka dyan.
Bakit?
Ayan. Yan meron ditong basurahan. Ayan sa loob. Sobrang di pa tinawag. Kaya nandito nilagay. Na tinatapon. You have to throw that now. Janice.
Now.
Yan.
Basura, girl.
Oh, say
Now.
good morning, Janice. What time is it?
9
It's 9 o'clock.
in the morning.
I'm hungry now. So they're cooking. They cook my breakfast now. Okay. I will stop the video because I will say something to them. Bye.
Maglinis na kayo.
Bye.
Ayan, guys.